Hi everyone, Dr. Susan Brown here, and I want to tell you about a fantastic mental health workshop that's coming up. It's coming up right away this Sunday, and it's being given by Acharya Shunya. Some of you might have heard of Acharya Shunya. She's a great Ayurvedic master. I did an interview with her recently on how fear affects bone health, and we'll give you the link how you can find that. It's on YouTube now, and her latest course is going to be on mental health, reimagining mental well-being. It's a one-day workshop, October 29th. It's going to be 9:30 in the morning West Coast time, so that'll be like 12:30 our time here in the East Coast. It's a great opportunity to learn the Ayurvedic perspective on mental health, to learn some simple ways that you can shift your mindset and have a dramatic impact on your mental well-being. I do hope I'll be taking that course, and I do hope you'll join me. See you later and have a great day.